NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question number 7. Prove that tan theta plus tan of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to secant theta into secant of 90 degrees minus theta. Let us take the LHS. LHS is equal to tan theta plus tan of 90 degrees minus theta. That is equal to tan theta plus, we know that tan of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cot theta. We can write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Now let us take the LCM. LCM is sin theta cos theta. We have cos theta in the denominator, therefore sin theta into sin theta plus we have sin theta common, therefore cos theta times cos theta. Sin theta times sin theta is sin square theta plus cos theta times cos theta is cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. In the numerator, sin square theta plus cos square theta can be written as 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. We know that 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta and 1 by cos theta is secant theta. We know that secant of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Therefore, we can write cosecant theta as secant of 90 degrees minus theta into secant theta. Let us rearrange the terms. That is equal to secant theta into secant of 90 degrees minus theta, which is equal to the RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, we have proved that tan theta plus tan of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to secant theta times secant of 90 degrees minus theta.